In a galaxy far, far away, nestled among the stars and planets, there was a tiny, wise creature known as Baby Yoda. His real name was Grogu, but everyone affectionately called him Baby Yoda due to his striking resemblance to the legendary Jedi Master. One peaceful day on the desert planet of Tatooine, Baby Yoda embarked on an unexpected adventure. The Force guided him towards a destiny filled with friendship, discovery, and the importance of kindness. Chapter 1. The Mysterious Signal. It all began when Baby Yoda, with his big, round eyes and tiny green ears, felt a strange disturbance in the Force. Intrigued, he waddled towards the source of the disturbance, discovering a holographic message from a distressed creature named Kala. Kala, a kind-hearted alien, pleaded for Baby Yoda's help. Her home planet was under threat from a sinister force, and only the legendary Child of the Stars could save them. Baby Yoda, sensing the urgency, agreed to embark on this cosmic mission. Chapter 2. Journey to the Unknown Planet. With the guidance of the Force, Baby Yoda boarded a spaceship and set off towards the unknown planet. Along the way, he made a new friend, R2-D2, who joined him on this intergalactic journey. R2-D2 beeped and whirred, serving as a loyal companion to Baby Yoda. The duo encountered breathtaking celestial landscapes and navigated through asteroid fields, forming an unbreakable bond. Baby Yoda's innocence and R2-D2's wisdom complemented each other perfectly. Chapter 3. The Enchanted Forest. Upon arriving at the mysterious planet, Baby Yoda and R2-D2 were greeted by an enchanting forest filled with magical creatures. The tall, luminescent trees whispered ancient tales, and the air was imbued with a sense of wonder. In this magical realm, Baby Yoda met a playful Ewok named Wicket, who quickly became his friend. Together, they embarked on a quest to find the legendary Wise Tree, the guardian of the planet's harmony. Chapter 4. Trials and Tribulations. As Baby Yoda, R2-D2, and Wicket journeyed deeper into the forest, they encountered challenges that tested their courage and friendship. From treacherous rivers to mischievous creatures, the trio faced each obstacle with determination, guided by the Force and the wisdom of the Wise Tree. During their adventure, Baby Yoda discovered that kindness and understanding were powerful allies. His gentle demeanor and innocent heart bridged gaps between different species, fostering unity and cooperation. Chapter 5. Unveiling the Darkness. The Force led Baby Yoda, R2-D2, and Wicket to a hidden cave, where they uncovered the dark secret threatening the planet. A sinister villain named Zarnak, fueled by greed and power, sought to drain the life force of the planet for his own malevolent purposes. Undeterred, Baby Yoda and his friends hatched a plan to thwart Zarnak's wicked intentions. They knew that only by combining their unique strengths could they stand against the looming darkness. Chapter 6. The Galactic Showdown. The climactic battle unfolded in the heart of the enchanted forest. Zarnak, with his menacing presence, faced off against the unlikely trio of Baby Yoda, R2-D2, and Wicket. The air crackled with tension as the forces of good and evil clashed. In a dazzling display of the Force, Baby Yoda levitated objects, R2-D2 provided tactical support, and Wicket used his cleverness to outmaneuver Zarnak's minions. As the battle reached its peak, the Wise Tree intervened, channeling the planet's ancient energy to empower Baby Yoda. In a moment of pure magic, Baby Yoda harnessed the Force like never before. With a determined gaze, he redirected Zarnak's dark energy, sealing him away and restoring harmony to the planet. Chapter 7. The Hero's Return. With Zarnak defeated, Baby Yoda, R2-D2, and Wicket emerged as heroes of the Enchanted Forest. The grateful inhabitants celebrated their newfound peace, and the Wise Tree bestowed a special gift upon Baby Yoda, a tiny sapling that would forever connect him to the magical planet. As Baby Yoda bid farewell to his new friends, R2-D2 beeped joyfully, expressing gratitude for the unforgettable adventure. With a heart full of lessons learned and friendships forged, Baby Yoda boarded his spaceship, ready for new galaxies and adventures. Epilogue: A galactic legacy. Baby Yoda's journey continued, spreading tales of his kindness and the power of the Force throughout the galaxy. He became a symbol of hope, a reminder that even the smallest beings could make a big difference in the cosmic tapestry of life. And so, Baby Yoda's enchanting adventure echoed across the stars, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those who believed in the magic of the Force and the enduring power of love and friendship.